All right, so it's the next day. I'm expanding the garden actually. Um, Look at that giant weed. Oh my gosh. That's like about 2.5 feet. There is a dead tree here. We moved it. I'm gonna have to probably cut all that and trim it down. But dude, we could straight up just extend the garden right over here. That's what we're gonna do. I mean, look at all that space. If I own this house, I would take all that out and we'd have a huge garden, but I gotta work with what we work with. So, plant that tomato plant right there. Let's see what happens. I believe this is a black soldier fly. First time getting up close with it. It looks disgusting. Alright, you know what? I'll let him go. I don't know if he's hurt, but he's definitely acting weird. I think he just hatched. Oh no. I'll let him do his thing. There's another one that I just found. Well, looks like they're starting to hatch a lot. Yeah, I mean, look at them. The plants are going. Using this little tool right here. Right, so the storm did a little bit more damage. There's a broken tomato plant that I cut. And unfortunately, that one right there has apparently broken at the base, yet the leaves are still, I think it's slightly attached. So it'll be an experiment to see, like, how does it work when a plant is slightly broken, especially pepper plants, which are a little bit more fickle. And also we get a little spider here, so he can catch some of the bugs. I'm gonna get some ladybugs and put it on those to get all those aphid off. One little casualty. At least there's one right next to it, just as big, probably a little bit bigger. So if it doesn't make it, well, there's one right next to it, so that's okay. But still, garden's flourishing. Hey guys, so we have a little special guest on our show. He doesn't want to get in my hand, obviously. So, very, very pretty. Look at his hand. Oh no, he almost jumped out of the thing I have here. Oh, he peed on me. Nasty. Alright, I'm gonna put him in the garden. I'm trying to grab him so he doesn't jump. I'm barely holding on to him. He probably, if he really wanted to, could squirm out. I don't want him to, obviously. I'm trying to get him to a safe place, which I think could be over here. Actually, you know what? Dude, I'm gonna put this boy in my garden. He can hop out if he wants, but little frog in the garden sounds amazing. I'm gonna take this guy. Where did the frog go? Throw them both in there, so now they can hopefully get eaten by the frog, whoever he is. Oh my gosh, what a moron. I don't know what else I have to do, but do you see how big those sticks are? Right? Okay, they're clearly in a row. Like, they're not weeds. They're clearly some kind of plant. Well, this wasn't here. I re-put this up. The guy just completely chopped the sticks down. He just mowed it over. I don't understand. Like, how do you not realize that that is not something you should mow if there's sticks around it? Big sticks around the plant. And you decide to mow it still. And you mow down the sticks too. What? I am mad.